Welcome. Today we're going to explore fractions in a fun and visual way. We'll multiply fractions using area models and divide fractions using number lines. Grab your pencil, you'll be drawing along with me. For example 1 is 1/2 times 1/4. Let's imagine this big rectangle is a whole cookie. First, I'm going to slice the cookie into two equal pieces. That represents halves. Since our fraction is 1/2, I shade just one of those two slices. Next, I slice the cookie the other fourth direction into four equal strips. That represents fourths. And since we only want 1/4, I shade one of those four strips. Now look where both colors overlap. That small chunk is the part that is 1/2 of 1/4. When we count the pieces, there are 8 total and only one is double shaded. So 1/2 times 1/4 equals 1/8. Pretty cool, right? Now is your turn. Your example is 2/3 times 3/5. First, we divide our whole into three equal parts and shade two of them. That's 2/3. Then we divide the same shape into 5 strips, going the other direction and shade three of those. When our two sets of shading overlap, that is the product. You'll see 6 overlapped pieces out of 15 total. So we write 6/15. And yes, we can simplify it to 2/5. Now you multiply two fractions using visuals. Now the example for division is 3 divided by 1/2. Now let's switch gears. When we divide by a unit fraction like 1/2, we're asking how many of these small pieces fit into a bigger number. So let's draw a number line from 0 to 3. Each whole gets split into 2 equal parts because we're dealing with halves. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes 6 halves in total. So 3 divided by 1/2 is 6. Fractions are like counting how many slices fit into a pizza. Only these slices are math slices. Now is your turn. Your example is 2 divided by 1/4. 2 divided by 1/4 means how many fourths fit inside the number 2. Let's draw a number line from 0 to 2 and divide each whole into 4 equal parts, like cutting a brownie into 4 square pieces. In the first whole, we get 4 fourths. In the second whole, we get 4 more fourths. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your result is 8. Good job. Now you're done. Thank you.